Hello, Louisa. I'm going to make my smash sauce using garlic, roasted red pepper. I'm gonna smash them first before I put the green onion, cilantro, and lemon. Okay. Because I don't want to use MSG, I will replace with sugar, palm sugar. When you're done smashing them, you could add your green onions and cilantro. Here is Mian People's secret. We will add this sinigang, a little bit salt, and your lime juice, lemon juice. I like to add some water. Taste and adjust anything you want. And now you're all done. This is good for one whole week to share with everybody at work. Smash sauce. Thank you. Bye-bye.